Introducing Frigidaire Gallery Dishwasher. Product dimensions: height, adjustable, 33 3/4, 35 3/4. Width 24 inches. Depth, including door, 24 1/4. Specification: water inlet location, left bottom front. Water usage, gallons, 4.0 to 8.0. Water pressure, PSI, 20 to 120. Integral air gap on supply, yes. Leveling legs, yes. Power supply connection location, right bottom front. Voltage rating, 120 volts, 60 Hz, 15A. Connected load, kW rating, at 120 volts, 1.44. Amps at 120 volts, 15.0. Shipping weight, approximately, 91 pounds. Easy to use features: smudge-proof stainless steel. Clean dishes of all sizes. Ready to use dish alert. Stay in place door. 24-hour delay start. Cleans 14 place settings. Efficient water usage. Stainless steel interior and filtration. Signature features: a complete clean dishes in one cycle with Orbit Clean Wash System, which uses 4 times more water coverage, one for a complete clean. Remarkable dry, dishes come out remarkably dry every time with EvenDry. Best 30-minute clean, don't wait when dishes can be cleaned with the best 30-minute quick clean. Automatically adjusts cycles, DishSense Technology automatically adjusts the cycle time based on the level of clean that your dishes need for an efficient clean. Common feature: control design, fully integrated express select. Digital display, yes. Door latch, stay put door hinge design, yes, yes. Low rinse 8 indicator light, interior color, interior design, stainless steel, tall tub. Wash system, direct feed. Wash arm, Orbit Clean. Wash levels, wash speeds, 5, 5. DishSense Technology, yes. Aqua Surge Technology, yes. Sound package, silent design. Filter trap, S-steel, removable. Soft food disposer. Decibel level, 49. Drying system, EvenDry. Cycles, number of cycles, 8. Power plus, heavy, yes. Normal, yes. Light. Quick wash, 30-minute, yes. Favorite, yes. China crystal, yes. Rinse only, yes. Energy saver plus, yes. Upper rack wash only, yes. Cycle indicator light, control lock, no, yes. Cycle complete floor beam indicator, LED. Options: heat, no heat dry, yes, yes. High temp wash, yes. NSF certified sanitize rinse, yes. Delay start, 1 to 24 hour. Rack system, rack design. Deluxe. Rack coating, nylon tough racks. Upper rack, rack handles. Stemware, champagne glass holders, yes. Fold down tines, yes. Cup shelves, stemware grips, 2, no. Versatray. Adjustable rack, yes. Lower rack, SpaceWise silverware basket, 3-piece split. Fold down tines. 2 full rows. Small items cover, 2. Third level rack, single tray. Certifications: Energy Star, yes. NSF International Certification, yes. Precautions: dishwasher must be electrically grounded. Keep young children and infants away from the dishwasher. Disconnect electrical power to the dishwasher before servicing. Do not tamper with controls. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.